Good morning, India. Good morning, humanity. I have great respect for the actor Kamal Hassan, who had been our icon since 70s. He has opposed the resistance against intolerance by writers, poets, filmmakers, artists, scientists, historians, and sociologists, and declared that he would not return his award. He has got every right. We are not pushing him to return his award. He should keep them if he likes. I am not aware of his politics at all. I have been treating Kamal Hassan as a great performer. Well, is intolerance killing humanity and nature all about nationalism? No, 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 never, never, Mr. Kamal Hassan. Nationalism is nothing like the racist apartheid. Then tell me, Mr. Kamal Hassan, is this nationalism?
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone. The good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful. We have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, and we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want.
Hello, it is a technical error, but I hope that you have got it. And I want to show you another. Well, it did not work, or I would have fled. Besnojan tene kahiye. Well, excuse me, Mr. Kamal Hassan. I agree with you that had it not been intolerance all the way, then India would not have been partitioned. I agree with you that had it not been intolerance all the way, two nations theory would not have deactivated personalities like Gandhi, Ambedkar, Srimant Gandhi, and diverted Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, well, now it is okay. It was a technical error again. There would not have been, yes, I agree with you that had it not been intolerance all the way, India would not have partition. You are correct. It is intolerance all the way. It is the plight of humanity, and it is religion as well as politics. I know that you are detached. I only object that you say returning a word is an insult to the nation, nationalism. What is nation? What is nationalism, Mr. Kamal Hassan? I agree with you that had it not been intolerance all the way, there would not have been the personality disorder so often which had inflicted Hail Hitler, Germany at war, and I tried to get a clipping of the speech made by no less than a personality like Charlie Chaplin, who used to say, "Love is enough to live. Other things are irrelevant. Other things are nothing but greed, and it is torture, inhuman repression of humanity." It was a super performance by Charlie Chaplin. The personality disorder that in fact inflict our leaders even today, our national leaders even today, they are inflicted with personality disorder. They don't know what they speak and what impact it would have on the nation, on the humanity, on nature, universal fraternity, inherent pluralism and inherent diversity. Okay. Mr. Charlie Chaplin played the role of Adolf Hitler, inflicted with extreme personality disorder, and the great dictator is all about the personality disorder. Charlie Chaplin portrayed it with surgical precision, which remains a classic performance as The Great Dictator happens to be a masterpiece. What is your status as an actor, filmmaker? Though I had been electrified with your performance, but you might not touch the height of Charlie Chaplin. No, never, never, never. I am very sorry to say, despite your performance in Pushpak, Appu Raja and Sadma, I don't think that you could touch Charlie Chaplin ever. Though I always had been electrified whenever I encountered you via cellulite. Had it been, it had been since I first saw your film, the Bengali film Kavita, with Mala Sinha in lead role way back in late 70s. Since I have enjoyed the great performance in Sadma with lead role played by you and our most lovely lady Sri Devi, and I treat this performance by Sri Devi as her lifetime achievement. I enjoyed Sagar with Bobby Dimple Kapadia, even एक दूजे के लिए and Hey Ram, while you shared screen with Girish Karnad and Shah Rukh Khan, your Dasavatar, Hindustani and so on. I know that you had been the first Tamil actor to convert your fan clubs in welfare organization. Kamal Narpani Iyakkam. I don't know whether other icons from cinema, art and music have opted for this. I respect you for this. But yes, I would have loved to talk to you face to face. It is not possible. The fact is that I never treat you as an average filmmaker, mind you, an average filmmaker. Forget Ritik Ghatak, Satyajit Ray, Minal Sen or Sam Benegal, Sattu, Kumar Sani, Mani Kaul and many of them, even Mehboob, Rishikesh Mukherjee and Basu Bhattacharya. I don't treat you as per as with those filmmakers just because you are too habitual to photo bomb the frame. Each and every frame created by you is all about you. It showcased you. It is horrible. It is a horrible experience on cellulite. Hey Ram would have been an excellent film, but you underplayed actors like Hema Malini, Kamal Hassan, and Girish Karnad. Shah Rukh Khan could not get the space he deserved, and the film could not do well on box office too. You are so loud with your continuous photobombing in your films that it kills the allowed scenario and disturbs the sound design and musicality. The soul of Indian cinema is quite absent in your films. So much so hyped and showcased had been your performance that it proves that you are a better dancer than Sir Prabhudeva, which you had never been. So much so hyped and showcased your performance that you happen to be habitual to sideline other powerful actors who would have enhanced your performance and the quality of your films, and you are a miserable failure in filmmaking, but I know that you are an excellent performer, though you could not touch Charlie Chaplin or Dilip Kumar or Amitabh Bachchan or Shabana Azmi or Meena Kumari, Vaida Rahman, Baijanti Mala. But I love you. We love you. And your statement shocks me most. I would as you discussed partition, if possible, I would like to include some clippings of partition. And here you are. No, it is not possible. Okay, just bear with me. I am trying to make it possible. Well, something goes wrong, but if the video is loaded on partition, I would show you the clipping. Meanwhile, we must continue the discussion. I might have proved my logic had it been I would have proved it with frame to frame analysis. Well, perhaps it is loading. If it loads, I would have the clipping. It might have proved, I might have proved it with frame to frame analysis, which I dare not afford because clippings from your films, which I would have loved to include, would rather invite copyright infringement. Thus, I may not present frame to frame analysis to discuss the great dictator, the performance by Charlie Chaplin. Mr. Kamal Hassan, you also belong to 70s and electrified audience with your performance heightened in K. Balachandran's Aval Oru Thoda Karai in 1974 amidst JP's total revelation. Well, meanwhile, I would read the news item for you. Film actor Kamal Hassan said on Tuesday that he would not return an award conferred on him by the government. I understand that those returning awards are doing so as a mark of protest, a symbolic gesture, and I don't insult their move, Mr. Hassan said. He, speaking of his opinion, he reiterated that he would not, for that matter, return the money he had earned. Let us say I am agree with the entire film fraternity and want to make a point. I may return awards, but I won't be able to return the money I have earned through cinema all these years. I have invested all that I earned in my projects. Even if I had so much money, I won't give it away. Awards are given by a jury in recognition of work done by creative people. It has nothing to do with government. His remarks came in the way. Well, Mr. Hassan underlined the fact that creative minds rose above religious borders. I take inspirations from people like Gulzar Saab. When I think of him, only his poetry comes to mind. I don't think if he is a Sikh or if he has converted to Islam, it is the same when we talk about K. Balachandar. We don't think that which caste he belongs to. Okay. It is the English report, and in Hindi जनसत्ता पब्लिश 60 साल के तमिल अभिनेता ने कहा पुरस्कार लौटाने से कुछ नहीं होगा। ऐसा करके आप सरकार का और आपको प्रेम के साथ पुरस्कार देने वाले लोगों का अपमान करेंगे, इस पर ध्यान जाएगा। लेकिन और भी तरीके हैं। उन्होंने कहा प्रतिभाशाली लोग हैं, पुरस्कार लौटाने के बजाय उनके एक लेख से मुद्दे पर ज्यादा ध्यान जाएगा। उन्हें पुरस्कार अपने पास रखने चाहिए, हमें गौरवान्वित करना चाहिए। कोई भी सरकार जो कम सहिष्णु है उसके खिलाफ लड़ते रहना चाहिए। अभिनेता ने कहा असहिष्णुता पर बहस 1947 से जारी है और इस पर हर 5 साल पर बहस होनी चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा आपने बहस अपने हाथ में ले ली है, लेकिन यह असहिष्णुता 1947 से है, इसलिए हम 2 राष्ट्र बने, भारत और पाकिस्तान एक साथ हो सकते थे और एक शानदार और विशाल देश होता और हम वाणिज्य और हर चीज में चीन से लोहा लेते। इस असहिष्णुता ने ही तब राष्ट्र को बांटा था, यह दोबारा इसे ना लौटाए। आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड यू मिस्टर कमल हसन। इट इज ट्रूथ, it is ultimate truth. The intolerance which had been killing us, partitioned us, and it helped the Jamidar, Raja and Rajwade and the class and caste hegemony to capture the state, the nation. Kamal Hassan said that this intolerance is sustained. He has not contradicted. Even the first disinvestment minister, Mr. Arun Shourie, had also complained of intolerance. RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, he manages monetary policies with rate cuts again and again, is also I wonder, no video relating to partition is working at this point. I have tried 4 or 5 videos, none of them have opened, and it is interval and interval again and again. Now, Kamal Hassan has not contradicted our point of view. The technical error disturbs to load the film on partition. We should discuss on intolerance. Kamal Hassan suggested. Where is the discussion? We are not discussing at all, because dissent is not allowed. Dissent is not allowed in this democracy. Dissent is branded as sedition. It is quite unfortunate that GNU has been dubbed as a basera for anti-national elements. The organizer, the mouthpiece of RSS, declared that GNU is anti-national. Universities are anti-national. The conscience of the nation is anti-national. The protest lost by our artists, our poets, writers, the intelligentsia worldwide, no less than from 150 nations, the scientists, the sociologists, the historians had been charged with allegations of being partisan, while they are known for activism and creativity. All of them are concerned with the aesthetics of social realism, more or less, and art and literature, music and films, science and sociology, economics and political science, philosophy and psychology, literature and performance. Everything is concerned with the sustenance of life, celebration of life, the folk roots of civilization. It has to enlighten us. It drives us to light. It is in quest of salvation. It is in quest of liberation. It is the liberation of soul. It is all about the liberation of the nation, and it is expression. It is all about phonetics. It is all about mother tongue. It is all about linguistics. It is all about mediums and genres. And the censorship is prevalent because they have to sustain the caste rule, and the nation has been reduced to a military state which practices the racist apartheid, exclusion, ethnic cleansing and genocide culture. Is it the nation you are talking, Mr. Hassan? I wonder. I agree. United India would have been great. It would have been greater than China, as you said. But that United India has been partitioned, and I could not show you the clippings of the Holocaust. I tried my best disturbing this video. I would attach the videos with my write-up letter, so that if you might, you could see the films which I wanted to include in this video. I would post the video of the great dictator by Charlie Chaplin, so that you should understand the making in fascism. Germany is a great nation. German is a great language. It is a great civilization. And we have to go back to the history. The First World War, the Second World War, the rise and fall of Hitler. Hitler attacked London, bombed London Bridge. Hitler attacked Southeast Asia. Hitler attacked Soviet Russia. Hitler attacked Africa. He wanted to become a superpower, and he was also talking about the purity of blood and claimed to be Aryan. He used the swastik symbol, which is the symbol of Hindutva, the Brahminical rituals, defended, highlighted by the institutional fascism, which had the helms of the nation, the helms of the governance, the helms of the hegemony. United Germany was broken. It was a wall which divided Germany. Would you like that wall to be created in New Delhi, in Kolkata, in Chennai, in Mumbai, in every metro, in every city, in every village,